Within the next 2 months, that is by Diwali of 2022, we will launch Jio 5G across multiple key cities, including the metro cities of Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, and Calcutta. Subsequently, we plan to increase the Jio 5G footprint month after month. Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Dear shareholders, namaskar. I welcome all of you to the 45th Annual General Meeting of the company. Friends, let me start with our digital services business, Jio. Over the past year, Jio has further consolidated its position as India's #1 digital services provider. Today, we have 421 million mobile broadband subscribers on our 4G network, and they consume, on average, nearly 20 gigabits of broadband data every month, which is nearly double their consumption from the year before. Inspired by our dynamic Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Bhai Modi ji's Digital India initiative, our country has seen the emergence and scale-up of multiple world-class national platforms which have brought enormous benefits and ease of living to ordinary citizens. Let me now talk about Jio's fixed line network. Jio's high-quality, redundant, and always available fiber optic network is the information backbone that carries data traffic from every corner of India and connects it to the global internet. Today, Jio's pan-India fiber optic network is more than 11 lakh route kilometers in length, enough to go around the planet Earth more than 27 times. Over the past year, we also saw acceleration in the adoption of Jio Fiber, with 2 out of every 3 new customers choosing Jio Fiber. Jio Fiber is now the #1 FTTX service provider in India with over 7 million connected premises, a feat achieved in less than 2 years despite COVID lockdowns. But despite strong growth, India still lags behind the rest of the world significantly in fixed broadband services. With about 20 million connections, India is ranked a lowly 138th in the world in fixed broadband adoption. Unlike in leading nations, the vast majority of our homes, offices, and businesses have been deprived of the power of fixed broadband and ubiquitous indoor Wi-Fi, and consequently the power of modern digital tools. This has to change, and change fast. Jio will change this. We will enable India to be among the top 10 globally in fixed broadband adoption. Friends, today I want to announce the next leap forward that Jio is creating in digital connectivity, especially in fixed broadband, and that is Jio 5G services. Using 5G technology, we can now deliver breakthrough increases in broadband speed, network capacity, and number of connected users while dramatically reducing latency. With Jio 5G, we can achieve 3 simultaneous objectives. 1, we can build on the success of Jio 4G by introducing an even more advanced version of our mobile broadband service. 2, we can accelerate the rollout of high-quality, highly affordable fixed broadband services to hundreds of millions of locations in a very short period of time. And 3, we can use this vastly expanded broadband availability to further stimulate the adoption of connected, intelligent solutions across all walks of life. Specifically, we can connect over 100 million homes with unparalleled digital experiences and smart home solutions. We can leapfrog tens of millions of small merchants and small businesses by empowering them with cutting-edge plug-and-play solutions delivered from the cloud. We can provide lakhs of medium businesses with the same digital capabilities that were historically available only to larger companies. We can accelerate the digital transformation of tens of thousands of our large enterprises and make them globally competitive. We can launch billions of smart sensors with connected intelligence that can power the Internet of Things and the fourth industrial revolution. With Jio 5G, we can connect everyone, every place, and everything with the highest quality and the most affordable services. In addition to meeting India's needs, we are confident of offering digital solutions to world markets. At Jio, we are energized by this vision. We are committed to make India the largest data-powered economy in the world, even ahead of China and the United States. Jio 5G will be the world's largest and most advanced 5G network. Most operators are deploying a version of 5G called non-standalone 5G, which is essentially a 5G radio signal that is delivered over their existing 4G infrastructure. This non-standalone approach is a hasty way to nominally claim a 5G launch, but this approach cannot deliver the breakthrough improvements in performance and capability that are truly possible with 5G. In sharp contrast, Jio will deploy the latest version of 5G called standalone 5G, which has absolutely zero dependency on our 4G network. With standalone 5G, Jio can deliver new and powerful services like low latency, massive machine-to-machine communication, 5G voice, edge computing, and network slicing. Jio 5G will be true 5G in every sense, and I believe that India deserves nothing less than true 5G. And through the recent auction conducted by the Department of Telecommunications, we have also acquired the largest and the most appropriate mix of wireless spectrum for 5G, and this gives Jio 5G a distinct competitive advantage. In addition to the 3,500 megahertz mid-band spectrum that is globally earmarked for 5G and the 26 gigahertz millimeter wave band for ultra-high capacity, only Jio has the 700 megahertz low-band spectrum that is so very essential for deep indoor coverage. And we are able to seamlessly combine these frequencies into a single powerful data highway using an advanced technology called carrier aggregation. This threefold advantage of standalone 5G architecture, largest and best mix of spectrum, and carrier aggregation means that Jio 5G will be able to offer an unparalleled combination of coverage, capacity, quality, and affordability. We are working very closely with all leading global smartphone OEMs, and we have their commitment that they will support Jio's true 5G in India. I firmly believe that digital freedom is the birthright of every Indian. Therefore, 5G cannot remain an exclusive service available only to the privileged few or only to those in our largest cities. To build our pan-India true 5G network, we have committed a total investment of 2 lakh crore rupees. Jio has prepared an ambitious and the fastest ever 5G rollout plan for a country of our size. Within the next 2 months, that is by Diwali of 2022, we will launch Jio 5G across multiple key cities, including the metro cities of Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, and Calcutta. Subsequently, we plan to increase the Jio 5G footprint month after month until by December of 2023, which is less than 18 months from today, to deliver Jio 5G to every town, every taluka, and every tehsil of our country. We will use our combined wireless and wireline assets to blanket the 3.3 million square kilometers of India's landmass with fiber quality broadband, connecting even those parts of the country where thus far satellite technology was considered the only option for connectivity. Friends, we are able to pursue our disruptive ambitions because of the unique technology, research and development capabilities we have developed in Jio. As I mentioned in our earlier meetings, we have indigenously developed an end-to-end 5G stack, which is fully cloud-native, software-defined, digitally managed, with support of even advanced features like quantum security. This is 100% developed by our own over 2,000 young Jio engineers working tirelessly for the past 3 years. We have already deployed this made-in-India 5G stack in our network with sufficient capacity to serve hundreds of millions of users from day one. Furthermore, Jio 5G is uniquely positioned to offer private 5G solutions for Indian enterprises at owners' economics. Friends, let me now invite Akash and Kiran on stage, who will talk about some of the exciting experiences that will be possible with Jio 5G.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Akash Ambani.
And I am Kiran.
As we gear up to roll out Jio True 5G across India, let's take a look at a few interesting possibilities. Let's start with mobile broadband. Only Jio True 5G has the threefold advantage of standalone 5G architecture, broader spectrum, and advanced carrier aggregation technologies. Jio True 5G truly delivers breakthrough increases in broadband speed and dramatically lower latency. Let's see this in action with a speed test on Jio True 5G. Wow! We don't get 1 Gbps even on many of the fixed broadband networks in our country.
Since 2016, Jio 4G has unleashed a tsunami of digital applications and rich digital content across India. Today, over 80% of the data consumed on Jio 4G is in video format. With Jio True 5G, mobile broadband will shift gears yet again, and we can enjoy even more video and immersive content. That too, consistently in ultra-high definition quality, no matter where you are. This also means that you will get a dramatically superior experience when you use your favorite video streaming and video calling mobile applications. 5G will not only enhance all your current mobile experiences, but will also create new and first-time experiences that will only be possible with 5G. For example, for the first time, the ultra-low latency of Jio True 5G will enable real-time applications like cloud gaming, even while you are on the move. And in the near future, it will also enable immersive experiences like augmented reality with Jio Glass and devices from many other partners.
An even more exciting possibility of Jio 5G is ultra-high speed fixed broadband. And since you get fiber-like speeds over the air without any wires, we are calling it Jio AirFiber. With Jio AirFiber, it is now really easy and really quick to connect your home or office to gigabit speed internet. We've developed a Jio AirFiber home gateway, which is a wireless, simple, single device solution. Get it, plug it in, and turn it on. And that's it. You now have a personal Wi-Fi hotspot in your home which is connected to ultra-high speed internet using True 5G. And on top of that, because it's an end-to-end wireless solution, there are no wires coming into your home or creating a tangle inside. With such a simple process, literally hundreds of millions of homes and offices can be connected to ultra-high speed broadband, that too in a very short period of time. And India can once again be in the top 10 nations even for fixed broadband. And the two-way interactivity enabled by Jio AirFiber can create completely new and highly engaging experiences for the entire family, like interactive live content, cloud gaming, immersive shopping, and much more, with focus on continuously enhancing customer experience and privacy. For example, Reliance and Jio are bringing some of the best sporting events like IPL to viewers in India and abroad through our digital platforms. Let's take a look at how we might watch an interactive live IPL match in the very near future with Jio AirFiber on a large screen. Instead of a traditional broadcast experience, the big difference you can see is that because of gigabit speeds of Jio AirFiber, we can now deliver not just one video stream, but multiple video streams showing multiple camera angles at the same time live. that too in ultra high definition. And we can dynamically choose which camera angle we want to focus on while having a preview of multiple other live video streams simultaneously. This makes every sports game truly immersive, even better than a real match experience, and personalized to suit the preferences of each and every viewer. And that's not all. You can even have a watch party with your friends through live video calls no matter where they are in India. Almost like you're watching a match sitting together in the stadium. With Jio AirFiber's ultra-low latency, things like multiplayer cloud gaming work even better on large screens within your home.
This is exciting. Another possibility with Jio 5G is how it can save money for customers in unexpected ways. For example, let's take personal computers. Today, most homes have to buy a PC or a laptop and spend even more money to upgrade it every few years. Now, using Jio AirFiber, customers can do away with all such expenses and opt to use a virtual PC that is hosted in the cloud. This is a concept that we call Jio Cloud PC. No large upfront investments, no upgrades, and you only pay to the extent you use the cloud PC, resulting in a super affordable way to bring the power of a PC, even multiple PCs, to every Indian home and business. This will be a game changer for every student, every gig worker, and every small business in our country, be it a pharmacy or a doctor's clinic, a grocer or a hotel, a consultant or a chartered accountant. Everyone can get an affordable computer through Jio Cloud PC and Jio AirFiber. Even large enterprises can use this solution. Across the Reliance Group itself, we use a lot of computers, and we are now replacing most of these with Jio Cloud PCs. And talking of large enterprises, Jio 5G can also be used to create private 5G networks for large enterprises. When compared to traditional enterprise Wi-Fi networks, 5G networks provide better reliability, better coverage, better data security, higher scalability, and lower cost, especially in demanding situations. Factories of the future and Industry 4.0, where reliability and performance are the topmost concerns, will be powered by private 5G working hand in hand with operational and information technology. For instance, we can use autonomous robotic vehicles to move goods in the demanding environment of a factory floor. And all these vehicles can be monitored and controlled in real time using Jio Private 5G. Another interesting area is energy, which is a major operating cost for most industries. We'll now be able to continuously monitor the energy consumption of each and every equipment in any facility using smart sensors connected via 5G. And we can analyze this rich data using connected intelligence and optimize energy consumption and other operational parameters, thereby increasing efficiency, enhancing productivity, and reducing cost. Because every facility will now be a connected facility, we can monitor all aspects of our operations in real time, even when people are working from home.
We're excited by the endless possibilities of Jio 5G and technology to serve humanity and to improve lives of hundreds of millions of our citizens. For example, take agriculture. Jio 5G connected drones can be used for spraying organic fertilizer on crops across the large tracts of farmland in a timely manner, thereby improving yield and reducing cost for our farmers.
Or take healthcare. Ambulances equipped with tele-ICUs can reach patients faster, and doctors can use 5G connectivity to remotely monitor a patient's vitals in real time and to deliver critical care even while patients are in transit to an emergency room. This can result in millions of lives saved.
Or take education. Providing quality education to the 250 million children of our country is a key development goal for India. Through Jio 5G, we can create the digital infrastructure for delivering high-quality educational content to every student and every classroom across our nation. Padhega India, to badhega India. Through 5G, we will now connect a larger number of end devices across multiple areas, just as we have demonstrated. the current 800 million connected internet devices will double to 1.5 billion connected internet devices within a year itself, with 5G getting rolled out in India.
Very soon, we are opening a Jio 5G Experience Center in Mumbai for the public. We will showcase these and many more exciting use cases and possibilities of Jio 5G there for everyone to experience firsthand, even before they are launched in the market. We invite one and all to visit us and experience the magic of Jio True 5G.